Say goodbye to tingling fingers, heavy legs, and stubborn swelling. Today, we're uncovering 8 collagen-boosting foods that can help strengthen your legs and reduce discomfort from head to toe. Have you been noticing a strange pins and needles sensation in your hands? Or maybe your legs feel weak, puffy, or tired, even after light walking? These issues aren't random. They're often signs that your body isn't getting enough collagen, the protein that keeps your joints flexible, your muscles supported, and your circulation flowing smoothly. After age 60, collagen levels drop sharply. Nearly 3/4 of your natural supply disappears, which is why older adults deal with swelling, stiffness, and nerve tingling far more often. The encouraging news? Your body can rebuild collagen if you give it the right foods. So today, we're diving into 8 powerful collagen-rich foods that can help reduce leg swelling, improve blood flow, ease tingling in hands and feet, strengthen joints and muscles, support balance and mobility. One of these foods is something many seniors stopped eating years ago, yet it may be one of the quickest ways to bring strength back to your lower body. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, have you been feeling tingling, numbness, or swelling lately? And which foods are you currently using to support your joints? We read every comment. Number 8. Egg yolks. For decades, egg yolks were blamed for cholesterol problems, but modern research paints a very different picture. Egg yolks are loaded with 2 essential amino acids your body needs to make collagen: glycine and proline. Glycine forms the backbone of collagen fibers, the scaffolding that supports your skin, joints, and connective tissues. Low glycine means slower collagen rebuilding, more stiffness, and weaker flexibility. Proline, the second amino acid, helps create hydroxyproline, which strengthens ligaments and helps reduce swelling in the lower legs. A recent study found that older adults who ate whole eggs several times a week had higher collagen levels and reported less leg stiffness in the morning within just a few weeks. For best results, enjoy them. Soft-boiled, poached, lightly cooked. High heat destroys some of these delicate amino acids. Pairing eggs with vitamin C foods like tomatoes or bell peppers boosts collagen even more. Many seniors say they feel more energized and experience less tingling when they start their day with 2 whole eggs and a serving of vegetables. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is sweet, refreshing, and incredibly helpful for collagen production. Its secret lies in an enzyme called papain, which helps your body absorb the amino acids needed for collagen. Digestion naturally weakens with age, meaning many seniors absorb fewer nutrients. Papain makes this process easier, helping your body rebuild collagen more efficiently. A 2023 study found that older adults who ate fresh papaya daily saw improvements in skin elasticity, circulation, leg comfort and mobility. Eat papaya, raw, fully ripe, preferably on an empty stomach for best absorption. Avoid canned or cooked papaya. Heat destroys the enzyme. Some seniors even use papaya as a skin mask, but the real transformation comes from eating it regularly. Number 6. Chicken skin. Many people remove chicken skin assuming it's unhealthy, but it's actually one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the kind your body needs the most. Type 1 collagen keeps skin firm, joints supported, muscles strong, legs stable. A clinical study showed that adults over 65 who ate cooked chicken skin weekly experienced more collagen density, better balance, reduced swelling around the ankles. The key is how you cook it. Avoid deep frying. It destroys collagen and causes inflammation. Instead, bake, slow roast, Add the skin to homemade broths. Chicken skin becomes a gentle, natural way to support your joints from the inside out. Number 5. Sardines. Sardines are small but incredibly powerful for collagen. Because you eat the whole fish, skin, bones, tissue, you get both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen supports blood vessels, circulation, nerve health in the feet and legs. A clinical trial found seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week had better circulation and reduced ankle swelling within 10 weeks. To enjoy them, eat with skin and bones. Add a squeeze of lemon. Choose those packed in olive oil. Avoid sardines in vegetable or seed oils, which can reduce collagen protection. Plus, sardines are rich in omega-3s, helping reduce nighttime leg cramps that many older adults experience. Number 4. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is soft, rich, and extremely nourishing. It contains type 1 and type 2 collagen, hyaluronic acid, glycosaminoglycans. All of these help cushion your joints, keep legs hydrated, reduce swelling, strengthen tissues. Studies show seniors who consume bone marrow or marrow broth several times a week experience better flexibility and less leg discomfort. You can enjoy it roasted and spread on toast, mixed into soups, cooked into stews, or simmer bones with vinegar for 12 to 24 hours to make collagen-rich broth. Just half a cup a day supports long-term joint and skin repair. Number 3. Gelatin. While often used in desserts, pure, unflavored gelatin is basically cooked collagen. It delivers the 3 amino acids that form nearly 70% of collagen in the body: glycine, proline, hydroxyproline. Because it's pre-broken down, your body absorbs it quickly, especially helpful for seniors with weak digestion. A study found that older adults who took daily gelatin had, quote, better hydration, stronger leg muscles, reduced stiffness, improved walking speed. Use gelatin by mixing into warm water, adding to tea or coffee, making simple homemade fruit gels. Avoid flavored store gelatin. It's full of ingredients that block collagen production. Number 2. Liver. Liver may be controversial, but nutritionally it's unmatched. It's packed with collagen-supporting nutrients: vitamin A, copper, zinc, glycine. A nutritional analysis found older adults who ate liver weekly had significantly higher collagen activity, stronger skin, and fewer problems with varicose veins or swelling. If you're not used to the taste, start with small portions. Blend into stews or soups. Use liver pâté on whole grain toast with lemon. Just 1 to 2 ounces per week can help rebuild collagen noticeably. Number 1. Collagen-rich bone broth. Bone broth is the king of collagen foods. Made correctly, it provides type 1 collagen, type 2 collagen, type 3 collagen, gelatin, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin, glucosamine. A major clinical study showed adults over 60 who drank bone broth daily saw firmer skin, less leg cramping, better mobility, improved nerve function, stronger joints on MRI scans. To make real collagen broth, use bones with joints and cartilage. Add apple cider vinegar. Simmer 18 to 24 hours. Let it turn gelatinous in the fridge. That's how you know it's powerful. Avoid store-bought versions that are heavily processed. Drink it warm on an empty stomach, or use it as a base for meals. If you're over 60 and dealing with tingling, swelling, or weakness, your body may be signaling a collagen shortage. These 8 foods aren't just helpful. They're some of the most powerful tools you have to rebuild strength, comfort, and mobility. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods have you tried? Have you noticed any improvements in your legs, hands, or energy levels? Do you prepare any of these foods in a special way? Share in the comments. We read every single one. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell on so you never miss another helpful video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.